Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe so that way you can join in the fun and hit that bell so that way you don't miss a video. So in today's video, I'm going to bring to you the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Collection. If you want to see and hear my honest reviews on this, just keep on watching. Phone to see like that I wasn't tripping. So there's a twisting pudding. I did not buy that because I didn't think that, like in the past I've bought twisting pudding products and things like that, or twisting cream, whatever it is, and it just didn't give me what I wanted. So there's really no styler for this. There's like the twisting thing that's for the twist outs. Don't ask me why I bought this setting lotion, because that was a big waste of time. I should have bought the deep conditioner. I mean, not the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, but anyway. So as you saw in the previous clips, I washed my hair, shampoo and conditioned, and put the deep conditioner in. Now, for my shampooing, you saw I did it twice, because I got out the pool, so I thought that'd just be best. I just want to mention that the shampoo does smell better than the conditioner. They both smell great, but this one really smells amazing. The conditioner is really, really, really thick. Like, it ain't going nowhere. Like, you saw how I had to like shake it out of the bottle just to get it out. I don't think that this nourished as much as it claims to, like for dry and dehydrated hair. My hair is very soft, but whenever I come out of synthetic braids, I feel like it steals my moisture, so I need to like hit it with something hard, and this really just didn't do it for me. So if you're not like in need of intense moisture, then this would be good, but I probably won't get this again. And I rarely buy shampoos, but because now it's like the same price as Shea Moisture, and it does smell really good, I might reach for this one. But again, this one wasn't that great, but the collection smells really great, and I think the packaging is pretty cute. And it does remind me of that other brand that I can't think of right now. Like, of all the shapes, you had to use this one. Maybe there was a sale on the containers, I don't know. And then for whatever reason, I bought this, and then as I was sitting here fixing up my hair, like because it was a little bit crazier before this, I was like, you gonna pick this up and you're gonna read that this is to put rollers in your hair. I don't know why when I was at the beauty supply store I was like, oh great, something new. But I'd probably just throw this in my water spray that I do when I spray my hair, because I guess, I mean, like it texturizing curls setting lotion, so I'm sure it couldn't help. I mean, couldn't hurt. What does it claim to do? Infused with honey blend, coconut oil, shea moisture. It's to target dehydrated hair. So I mean, granted I bought this for the wrong reason, but I probably would use this until it's finished, and then again not buy this again. Now the star of the show for me was the hair mask. This was it smells really great. It has a very like perfumey smell. Like, I don't smell honey, shea moisture, shea butter, or coconut oil. It smells like a floral perfume to me. But this is nice. This I would probably use again for deep conditioners. That's actually what I use to set my hair right now. I don't know if you can see. It's still a little frizzy because again, it's just a deep conditioner. It's not a styling product. But I would definitely probably buy this again. As for the rest of the items, not so much. This Pure Honey collection smells really great. But again, everything in here to me wasn't the star of the show. I had to finger rake it, and just looking through now, like, you can see some of the curls coming through, but it's very frizzed along the top. Like, you can see some of them if you see that right there. But it's very frizzed. And again, it's because I didn't buy the styling product for several reasons. I'm not sure if they even had it at the store, but I think they did, and I was just like twisting. I'm not a twist out type of girl, so I'm not going to do that. You could probably use it. People do that all the time, but for me, I just always find that they never really do what I want them to do. So I'd rather just stick to my curling pudding from Miss Jessie's. That has been like a staple for me as of now, or my coconut super cream from Diva Curl. Those are the ones that actually, like, I'd have no problems setting my hair with, and the curl comes out perfect every single time. Granted, both of those are expensive, so I'm trying to find different alternatives. But for me, I'm gonna say that the only thing that would be a stash would be the deep conditioner. And then once I finish these bad boys, I'll most likely end up trashing. Like, it's not something that I would be running to go get again because I think my hair loves it. Now, as far as the shampoo, it was very soft, but I judge a shampoo off of how it leaves my hair once I wash it out. And my hair didn't feel like soft. It still felt like, okay, now we're clean, but we're still thirsty. So that's where it is for me on that. It didn't really nourish my hair, and I want my shampoo to do that just as much as my conditioner. I want it to be cleaning, but I want it to also leave me with, I don't want it to strip me bare type of thing. So that's what I felt like. It didn't really do much for what I needed, and the things that I've been going through with my hair. So that's just my review on this collection. If you guys love this collection, please be sure to give me some hints as to how you used it and what worked best for you. If you tried this twisting pudding and if it was phenomenal for you and it's something that I actually should go out and buy, just let me know. I'd be down to try it. And as always, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Giving this video a big thumbs up. Comment below anything that you liked throughout the video. If you have suggestions for a different collection from Creme of Nature, if this was something that you absolutely love and how you did it, if you actually used the setting lotion the right way, and what were your results. Is it something that I should actually try? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yo, look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise right atop my cranium. Stress weigh the body like uranium. What's the verbatim? Everyday life deja vu. Only fear is I start to get comfortable, not wanna be typical. Climb my way to the pinnacle while I'm alive in my physical, yo. And money soon be the